We're on our way to Ikea in the Model 3. We're getting a new desktop. Ordered a standing desk on Amazon. I'll have a video showing that later in the week, but we're going to get a top from Ikea for the desktop part. I measured. It looks like we can fit the tabletop in here with the seats down. There's actually quite a bit of room, so we're gonna get a tabletop and maybe a cabinet, a small cabinet to store some stuff. I'm not sure.
And the whole reason is, we're on the computer more. Even with my job, I'm on the computer more, and my back is really starting to bother me. So our thought for today is that we're trying to be a little bit more ergonomically mindful around our back. So I just got a stand-up desk at work, and it's really awesome. So we're gonna also do that at home.
We want to be a little healthier. I'm editing a lot more on the computer now, so it's nice to get up and down, stand up and down, but it's kind of hard to stand at a normal desk and do your work. So we just want to be a little healthier, more active.
And we want to see what capacity this trunk has.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm also interested, I haven't seen the seats folded down yet. I'm wondering if they fold flat or if they're at an angle, and if that's going to interfere with getting items in the back as well.
I had someone ask me if I could fit a bicycle in the back. Well, I saw someone do that already, so I'm not going to do the bicycle, but I'm going to do a pretty big giant tabletop. So that'll give a good rectangle size of what you can actually fit in there and how flat it can fit in there as well. Bob's driving for us though. We're on autopilot. I have my hand here just in case, and I'm paying attention. But so on to Ikea.
I do like the navigation. I think the upgrade is really making a difference.
In 1 mile, take exit 19BA on the right onto Interstate 485 toward Matthews.
Wow, looks like she was right on cue. Looks like we planned it.
I definitely think navigation has gotten a lot more efficient.
Time for the long walk back to get the car, because we don't park close to everyone. It's a hike back here. I'm not the only Tesla owner that parks far away. Ours is way over here.
So I think today was successful. We got 3 very large boxes.
We got a giant tabletop, we got a desk chair, and a cabinet.
All in the back.
All
you
in
can
those
see
boxes,
it
and there's a lot of room still.
So because of our heavy load in the back, with all those large, because of our heavy load and our big boxes back there, it says rear seat belts are unbuckled. Well,
even though the seats are folded flat.
Yeah, so we thought that was a little bit strange. I'm very excited about how much we were actually able to fit in the back, so I think it's pretty safe to say that you can carry a lot. I mean, as you can see, there is plenty of room still in the back. The seats are they're not flat, but they are pretty close. And you can see there is still tons of room back there. Obviously, you wouldn't be able to fit the kids back there, but lots of items. Alright, so I don't know if I've asked you, what's the difference between this car and the S, and which one do you like better? I know I personally like the S better, but I want to know what you think.
The major difference that I've noticed in 300 miles is the visibility in this is a lot better, except for the rear view, because you can't have the rear view camera on while you drive.
So this one you can see a little bit better in the rear view mirror, but you can't, I don't like that you can't have the backup camera on. I really do like that.
You can.
But you can't have that and the navigation at the same time, right?
Well, it's overlaying the navigation, so you won't see where to go. You can see that everything's up there.
Oh, isn't that a good sight right there? Hey!
Just look at all the fumes coming off of those cars, and they're not even running.
I can smell gas from here.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
sorry. That was me.
Bad ice. I dare you to leave that in.